This is seriously happening. I've got the gloves on and the house is getting took to pieces. There you go, it's all getting dragged down. Look at that roof, it nearly come off in the storm yesterday. We got Prakash up there, breaking the roof. So this is the lovely lady. Are you happy? Are you happy? Happy that your house is getting rebuilt? Oh, bless you. So this is proper team work happening here. They're getting the bricks from the house and passing them all the way back. Woo! It's really in full swing here. Check on the progress of the house. There's only one wall remaining, and this wall is going to go soon. We have all the villagers out. Check all the lovely ladies over there. They've been bringing us Coca-Cola. We're working in the pure heat. This is no joke. It is blinking hot here. And yeah, this is the final wall to come down. Whoop, whoop. Are we ready for this? This is the final wall of the house to be pushed down. Let's see if it goes. It's going! Yay! Well done, team!
I'm very happy. Yes, very happy.
कति वर्ष बस्नुभयो यहाँ
15 वर्ष? 15 years.
15 years.
But this building 18 years.
18 years, wow. And does she feel okay that the house has been taken down?
अब तपाईं खुसी हुनुहुन्छ अब यो घर भत्किदैछ अब नयाँ बन्दैछ यता खुसी यता खुसी Yes, I'm happy.
You're happy, amazing, amazing.